Now you could have multiple lines of music. Dazzling new possibilities for harmony began to suggest themselves.
What was needed to realise this potential was for a musician to go a bit mad, and in his creative madness, open up the harmony idea to 1,000 new possibilities, which, helpfully, is what a bloke from Paris did in the 12th century.
His name was Perotin, and he composed music for the newly built Cathedral of Notre Dame. What he did was ask a seemingly simple question. What would happen if you had more than two voices singing at the same time? What if you had three? Or even, God forbid, four? This might not sound momentous now, but believe me, it was nothing short of a revolution in music.
Perotin strikes us even today as an irrepressibly adventurous creative force, a firecracker of a composer who conceived and wrote down the most complex simultaneous note clusters ever yet heard. A cluster of simultaneous notes is called a chord.
Here are some of Perotin's chords. Perotin also blazed the way forward in another area of music. He may not have been the first composer to bring rhythm into church music, but he's the first one to find a way of notating rhythm, using a system whereby shorter notes are bracketed together with a horizontal bar, what he called a ligature.
He was particularly fond of one rhythmic pattern, a pattern that you can easily remember because it's the rhythm of the theme tune to the Archers. Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum, dum-de-dum-de-dum-dum. Perotin made that pattern his own, as you can hear in his hymn composed for Christmas Day 1198, Viderunt omnes.
In this remarkable piece of music, you can hear not only the jaunty rhythm, but the weirdly effective harmonies, amazingly advanced for their time.